What's up guys, welcome to another YouTube video. Sorry I've been around for a while, been kind of busy, but I'm here today and I'm here to talk about Tide Optics. They were kind enough to send me one of these bags which I keep all my filters inside, but most importantly I'm here to talk about their new Cinesoft filter. A few weeks ago you may remember that I did a little talk about Tide Optics and their variable ND filters and how good they are as a budget variable ND filter, but then they surprised me with this, which looks exactly like a UV filter, but this is possibly the best filter, and this is no like me to you about it. This is the best filter I've ever owned in my entire life. So you may be wondering, what is a Cinesoft filter? What does it do? It kind of just diffuses your highlights, but in such a beautiful, beautiful way. A filter which would be very similar to a Cinesoft filter is the Peter McKinnon and Polar Pro variable ND filters with the mist option. Now this doesn't have a variable ND filter, and that's what I love about it. You can use this in photos, you can use this in video, and then just stick a variable ND over the top. And it's got such a small profile, so therefore you get no vignetting, and if you do, it's very, very minimal. I was shooting a 16mm on full frame sensor with a variable ND filter on top of this, and I can't see any vignetting over on my image. So when I got this filter, I was like, I need to put this through its paces. I need to see what this bad boy can do. And sure enough, later that day, one of the local Ford dealerships got in touch with me and said, Danny, I've got a Puma ST. Do you want to come and film it and do me some footage? Yeah, of course I do. I want to create you some content. So I got hold of the Puma ST, took it to a perfect location surrounded by beautiful fluorescent lights, I guess you could say, and used that for all the photos and all the video. So here are some of the photos which I took without and then with the Tide Optics Cinesoft filter. As you can see, the highlights, the lights just kind of bloom around the side, and it's just so nice, so cinematic, and it doesn't create any color cast of your images or your videos, so your white balance can always stay the same. And the same thing happens when you go over to the video. Look at the light which you get, all the nice cinematic feel. None of these special effects which you're seeing have been done in post. Everything is straight out of camera, then just put a standard grade over the top. As you can see, the footage, the actual raw quality is amazing. And that is why it's my favorite filter. When I got back from the shoot, I literally messaged Tide Optics and was like, this is amazing. Like, it's fantastic. I'm sure there's competitors out there who make similar things to this, but for the price of this, it's amazing. Just get an 82mm or whatever your biggest lens is. So mine's an 82mm, and use step up rings if you've got anything smaller, and then you only have to buy one filter. But this is amazing. It kind of just speaks for itself. I don't even need to tell you to go out and buy one. You see the footage and go out and buy one. So thank me later, honestly. It's amazing. Since filming this and showing a couple of mates, I know both of them have gone out and bought one and they think it's amazing as well. So what are you even doing watching this video? Just head down to the description box below. I'll leave all the links down there that you need, and head over to Tide Optics on Instagram. Make sure you give them a like, a follow, a little bit of love, and that's it from me today. Thank you very much for joining me. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe if you aren't already, and I promise I will be back. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.